In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Patreon to Discord. If you want to link your Patreon account with Discord so your community features can work smoothly, this process is pretty straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Patreon in either a desktop browser or a mobile web browser, then log into your account. It's important to do this from a browser because the settings and connected app options are easiest to access there. Once you're signed in, give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options appear correctly. After that, look over to the left-hand menu and click Settings. This is where Patreon keeps your account preferences and integrations. If you don't immediately see everything you need, don't worry. Some options are grouped into additional sections inside the settings area. Next, select More and then choose Connected Apps. This section is where Patreon lets you manage third-party services that can be linked to your account. You should now see a list of available apps and integrations that Patreon supports. From there, find Discord and click Connect. This tells Patreon that you want to start the linking process. Make sure you're selecting the official Discord connection option so the integration works properly. You'll then be taken to the Discord login page. Enter your Discord login details and click Login. Be sure you're signing into the correct Discord account, especially if you manage more than one account or if your browser remembers multiple logins. Using the wrong account here can cause access issues later, so it's worth double checking before moving on. Once you've logged in, Discord will show you an authorization screen. Review the connection request and then click Authorize to finish linking the two accounts. This final step gives Patreon permission to connect with Discord so the integration can function as intended. After you authorize the connection, your Patreon and Discord accounts should be linked. If you don't see the connection update right away, give it a little time and refresh the page. Sometimes integrations take a moment to sync properly, and that's all there is to it. By logging into Patreon, going to Settings, opening More and Connected Apps, selecting Discord, signing in, and authorizing the connection, you can complete the setup in just a few minutes. If you're following along carefully, you should now have Patreon successfully connected to